How to add product reviews on Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add product reviews to your Shopify store. Let's get right into it. First, log into your Shopify account. Go to Apps in the left-hand menu, then click on Shopify App Store. Search for Product Reviews and then click Add App to install it. Once the app is installed, open it from your apps list. Customize the review settings to match your store's design. This includes colors, layout, and how reviews are displayed. After that, go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize. Select your product template and add the Product Reviews section by dragging it into place on the page. Don't forget to hit Save once you're done. These reviews will automatically appear on your product pages. And that's it. You've successfully added product reviews to your Shopify store. If this was helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more tech and tips. Thanks for watching.